This video tutorial I will explain AWS DynamoDB. DynamoDB is a database service provided by Amazon Web Services. DynamoDB is used to store and retrieve data quickly. You can think of DynamoDB as a digital filing cabinet that keeps your data safe and ready to use anytime. What are the key features of DynamoDB? First point is fully managed. You don't have to install or manage servers. Second point is fast and scalable. It can handle a small or very large amount of data. Third point is serverless. You only pay for what you use. No need to worry about hardware. Fourth point is NoSQL database. It stores data in a flexible way, not like traditional rows and tables. Fifth point is automatic scaling. It can grow or shrink based on how much data you have. How does DynamoDB store data? First, we will see the data structure. DynamoDB uses tables to store data. A table contains items, and each item is like a row. Each item has attributes, which are like columns. Every item has a unique ID, which is called a primary key for quick lookups. For example, let's say you are building an online store. You can create a table called products, and each item can store one product. And each item has attributes like product ID, product name, price, stock quantity. How to access data? You can add items, read items, update items, delete items, and you can also query to find specific items using keys. What makes DynamoDB special? First point is very fast performance, even with millions of users. Second point is highly available. Your data is safe even if something goes wrong. Third point is scalable, good for small apps and large companies. Fourth point is AWS integration, works well with other AWS services like Lambda, API Gateway, and S3. When you should use DynamoDB? First point is web and mobile apps, great for apps with millions of users. Second point is gaming, handles fast and frequent updates like player scores. Third point is IoT, which is nothing but Internet of Things, stores real-time sensor data efficiently. Fourth point is ad tech and e-commerce, manages high-speed transactions like shopping carts. What are the differences between DynamoDB and traditional databases? Structure of DynamoDB is flexible, which is NoSQL. Structure of traditional DB is fixed tables, which is SQL. Scaling of DynamoDB is automatic. Scaling of traditional DB is manual setup required. Speed of DynamoDB is super fast for simple queries. Speed of traditional DB is slower for large scale reads or writes. Use case of DynamoDB is high traffic apps, real time data. Use case of traditional DB is complex queries and reports. Now we will see the summary. DynamoDB is a fast, serverless, and easy to use NoSQL database from Amazon AWS. It helps you to store, manage, and access data without worrying about servers or slow performance. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.